A Friday like no other, a Friday like you've never seen here on this YouTube channel before, guys. I mean, we don't write books and stories
about this video. And I'm gonna say this before Russell does. A lot is hinging on this video, guys, so you need to be paying attention.
He stole my tagline, now I have nothing.
Written down?
No, I didn't write it down.
So we have S13, S14 stuff.
Yeah.
We even have, from the vault, thick with dust, rarest of the rare.
Not even open.
It came all the way here. I peeled the label off. This part spent some time in Rainham, Massachusetts.
Wow. We don't stop, guys.
No, we dig up parts wherever they need to be found.
S-Chassis Palooza starts now! All right, guys, so S13, S14, did I say S14 twice?
I don't know, I wasn't listening.
S13, S14, S13, S13, S14.
If you have anything that's an S chassis that's in between the S12 and S15, you're gonna wanna pay attention.
Closely.
Yes.
Yeah, so we've got door hinge kits here for you guys, and these are not new. These have been a mainstay. We've
stocked these for years.
Yeah, people order these all the time, but I know we got a lot of new subscribers. I know you got a buddy who you're embarrassed to go to the grocery store with because you don't want to get in and out of his car because it makes a bunch of noise when they open the door. So, you know, their birthday's coming up. I'm sure you could hook them up. But S13 guys, you kind of get the luck of the draw here. You can service your pins and bushings separate, or you can replace everything. So if your door hinges have been sagging for a while, they're probably bent or tweaked a little bit. You probably just need to go ahead and replace everything.
Yeah. Do it once, do it right.
Yeah.
Because I can't imagine this being that fun a job.
No, there are some videos on YouTube where people kind of walk through doing it, and with, yeah, I mean the hinge, you know, part of the hinge is on the door, so you can do them one at a time and leave the one hinge. You just got to be careful.
Yeah, I mean, I would imagine you'd have to mark the location of these so you can get it back in the exact same spot.
Yeah, yeah. S14 guys, now you get the whole hinge, kit and caboodle. It's all one piece. You cannot service these, which is unfortunate if you just need some new pins or bushings, but also really popular. You know, if you're getting the car repainted, if you're just trying to fix a creaky door. I mean, hinges are going to wear out.
Yeah.
Especially S14 doors are huge.
Yeah, there's a lot of weight on that door, on these hinges.
Yeah, especially older cars. Older cars had really heavy doors. You got window regulator in there, glass that's supreme. Now, Tom.
Yes.
You got something.
I've got something that, this is the last of the last. I know I say that a lot, but that's because I seek out rare parts. That's part of my job. So this is, you're gonna wanna get your phone ready to order this.
Go to our website.
Go to our website right now.
Go to the search bar, put the cursor in there, and you're gonna want to type in this part number.
Yes, are you ready? I'm gonna give it to him right now.
Spit it out.
Frenzy.
Let's go.
84650-41F10. This is...
Whoa.
No?
We forgot to set up the camera in the call center. They're not even getting, the phones are blowing up. I can hear them. You hear them?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, sorry.
This is the trunk and gas door release cable. Now, if your gas door won't, this is the most common failure point, is this plastic trigger right here. This will break off and your gas door will not stay shut. And the only way to fix it is to get this whole cable. Cable's discontinued. I found the last one at a dealership. Swiped it. It's been sitting there for years, like I said, in Rainham, Massachusetts.
Yeah.
And we've got it.
Bag looks like it was stored in an outside shed.
Yeah. And I'm not seeing a date on here. Do you see a date on here, Russell?
No, I already looked at it. It's tore off. It should be right there.
Yeah, that was me when I tried to pull it off and look. but it's a rare part. Jump on it quick. You're gonna have to contact us first. I'm gonna send you a link that will allow you to purchase it. Do not delay, because I'm gonna sell it to the first person that gets their order in. If you get an email, it's not reserving the part when we're waiting on you. Whoever gets it in first is the one that's gonna get this part.
Yeah, have your affairs in order at all times.
Yeah.
Yes.
And if you're at work when you see this video, take a bathroom break.
Yeah. Run. Just tell them, do that, nobody will question it.
Yeah.
Hold your stomach.
Yeah, and run.
Tip, if you don't want to go to work also, you can say that your stomach hurts.
Yes. That
Tom wasn't here the other day,
effective.
and that's what was wrong.
It's very effective if you want to get a day to sit and catch up on your
Look for cables.
video games.
Yes, that's right. You guys are not going to want to miss this weekend's sale.
It's a good one.
Site-wide flash sale again. Thanks to everybody who participated in this. 2-3 weeks ago we did it. Mm-hmm. Tom had to come in and work overtime.
I came in on it was a Saturday or Sunday, and put in 2 hours, and it was well worth it because I was busy all week.
Yeah, so you guys jump in. We're not going to do these all the time. I can tell you that right now. We're just we're having a lot of fun doing flash sales.
We're fanning the flames, kind of.
Yeah, stoking the fire,
yes,
if you will. Do you know that we are almost to 7,000 subscribers here on YouTube?
That's pretty good, because it was not that long ago we were begging people to hit 5,000.
Yeah, we're there. So thanks again to the old, the new, everyone who's here checking out the channel. You guys are awesome. Your comments mean a ton to me and Tom. So stay in the comments. Yeah. Flash sales, flash sales, flash sales, flash. 7K, we're gonna do something fun. Tom already told me. I told him if we do what he wants to do, we're gonna write him up. And he was like, fine, I don't care.
I remember that.
I'm untouchable.
What else we got for the Peter?
That's all I got, man.
Let me see your list.
That's all I got. That's all I got. I didn't forget anything this time.
S13 door hinge, S14 door hinge, S13 coupe trunk cable, weekend flash sale, 7K subs. That is it. Enjoy your weekend. Stay healthy. Leave a comment. Let us know what you're up to, how you're feeling, and share the love.
Yeah. I want one remark really quick about the comments from last week's video. We said very specifically that the hoodie I was wearing wasn't available. Everybody wants to buy the hoodie.
Do you want to tell them where you found that?
I did. I commented. It was a company called Go Slow Caravan in Japan. They did a collab with Nissan Japan, and I don't think they have those available anymore. But go look them out. Go Slow Caravan, Nissan. You'll find their website. They might have some stuff still available, but I don't think they have the hoodie available. What?
Wow. This video was an absolute banger.
This video sucks.